So hi everyone, in this video I'll talk about how to earn money by writing reviews. So you guys are just wondering how we can earn money by writing reviews. Is it possible? Yes, it is very real. To write by writing the reviews, we'll get that. So there is. I'll give the two real genuine websites. So actually, if I have time, I used to write the reviews and I'll earn some dollars also here. So how to do that? Actually, there is a website called Capterra. So we can just click on, just search on Google, which is Capterra. So I'll keep this link in description, which is capterra.com. So here, this is the official website of the Capterra to write and reviews. So what is this reviews and everything, right? So actually, just go to capterra.com, just sign up if you're first time, if you are using, just sign up and log in, just write the reviews for softwares, like if you are using Google Docs, so what you have felt about that, if you want any improvements, and if you use it like Zoom Meet, so what you felt so if you write the genuine reviews, so the Capterra team will review your reviews and they'll give dollars for review. So for review they'll pay $2, and some reviews they pay almost $3 to $4. So I have got that income also by writing the reviews. And this is one website, and next one, which is another website, which is called G2. So I hope many members are heard about G2. So G2 is one of the website. Here you can see that this company, by writing the reviews, so we'll get money. So actually this company is located in US, Chicago. So the headquarters. So here also we guys can just join or sign in, and you guys can write real time reviews. So what you have felt. So just only you need good English and good knowledge on about the tools, about that applications what you have used. So actually we can so the softwares what you want, so we can write a reviews on like many softwares. You can if you know how to use this Zoom, so you want some improvement on that, you can write the suggestions, and you can write the advantages, and you can write the disadvantages, and everything you can write in these two website, Capterra and g2.com, and you can earn a lot of money in dollars, so which is very genuine. I used to use these two websites, which is g2.com and Capterra. So I got some dollars also. I have used that, and sometimes they'll give Amazon coupons and Flipkart coupons also. So I got one Flipkart coupon which is almost 3,000, and I have used it, and I use it to buy some things in Flipkart also. I have used that. So which is very genuine websites, and you can earn some dollars by using this. So I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, just give a like and share. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. You are going to learn lot many things in this channel. And thank you for watching this video.